Hello everyone. Today we'll take a topic of organic chemistry. Under organic chemistry, we'll discuss today categories of the reactions. There are so many categories, but out of that, there are four main categories. So the first type is addition reaction. Second is elimination reaction. Third is substitution reaction. And the fourth category is redox reaction, where reduction and oxidation both takes place together. Let's take the example of each. Addition reaction. As this term says addition, so it means something is going to be added over there. What can be added? Hydrogen can be added, halogens can be added, hydrohalogens can be added, or water can be added. And where, as we are talking about organic chemistry, so the addition is going to happen where carbon-carbon bond can be broken easily. Carbon-carbon single bond is not possible. It's very difficult to break that. So the chances to break carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. So these all reactants going to attack on either carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. So this one though not possible, right? Now let's take example. For example, C double bond C 2 H2 and H2. What is that? It is ethene, right? When this reacts with hydrogen in presence of the catalyst platinum, there is both of these hydrogen will attack on this double bond. One will be added here, another here. What will be the compound then? This H2 and H2 was already there. One more hydrogen on each side will be added. Now what is this? We can also write in the form of what? CH3, CH3. What is that? This is ethane. So in this way you can say by addition, double bonds convert into single bond or unsaturated compounds convert into the saturated compound. And the reactant which is taken, this is completely added to carbon-carbon double or triple bond. Now we'll take the example of another category. What is that? Elimination reaction. Elimination is something to eliminate, something to remove. This is almost, you can say, this is opposite to addition reaction. This takes place on carbon-carbon single bond because it's already saturated from all the sides. Now if we remove any two elements from here, right, so that would be converting this hydrocarbon into saturated hydrocarbon into unsaturated hydrocarbon. Let's take the example how it is going to work. This is carbon-carbon single bond. This is one side, this is hydrogen, another side there is halogen, and rest of the definitely saturated compound, rest of other what you see, those might be hydrogen, right? Here this X might be either chlorine or bromine or iodine, right? Now in this condition, when we perform this reaction in the presence of strong base, it removes hydrogen and halogen. So these two are eliminated and then there is a formation of carbon-carbon double bond. Along with that, hydrogen bromide is released. So as there is an elimination of elements, so this type of reaction is called elimination reaction. Let's take the example of third category, which is substitution reaction. Substitution term says what? One identity is going to remove the another and going to take place of the another. So in this case, again we require a saturated hydrocarbon. So that whatever, suppose this side is added, it will be removed by, suppose this is A, another B is attacked over there, and this will convert carbon, maybe here all three, and now this is B. So A is replaced by B, or A is substituted by B. So this kind of reaction is called substitution reaction. Let's take one example also for the same. For example, methane. When it reacts with chlorine, one of the hydrogens, like you can also write this way, C, and all the side hydrogen this way, which is methane. When it is attacked by chlorine, one of the chlorine is going to replace the place of hydrogen over here, and then what will be the compound here? That might be Cl, H, H, and H. And this hydrogen, as it has come over there, is become free. So the another compound form over there is hydrogen chloride. So as this chlorine atom has replaced hydrogen from the carbon atom, so this kind of reaction will be called substitution reaction. Let's take the fourth category, oxidation reduction reaction. First take the example. We'll take example of alkane, carbon, and primary alkane. Means this carbon is attached with one alkyl group and rest are hydrogen atoms. When this reacts with an oxidant, this oxygen is going to attack over here, and there is a formation of alcohol. As you see that this alcohol is attached to this carbon where the rest is alkyl group, so this is primary alcohol. Further, this reaction continues. There is a formation of aldehyde. Now, one more oxygen is there. In that case, these two hydrogen, OH and hydrogen will be removed and the oxygen will attack over here. So, in that condition, there is a formation of this compound, which is called aldehyde. If we continue the process, there is a chance of attacking this oxygen again over here and formation of carboxylic acid. This will remain the same, and here on this carbon, this oxygen will attach from carboxylic acid. The reaction towards left to right is oxidation, as it is alkane converting to primary alcohol, then aldehyde, then carboxylic acid. And the opposite of this whole process is reduction. So this is called oxidation reduction reaction. Let's summarize the whole process. Today we discussed addition reaction, elimination reaction, substitution reaction, and then oxidation reduction reaction. In the case of addition, there was addition of either hydrogen or halogen or hydrohalogen or water. It works on carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. In the case of elimination reaction, which is opposite to addition, there is a removal of elements from carbon-carbon, from the carbon-carbon single bond. In the case of substitution, one atom or group of atoms will be replaced by another. In case of oxidation reduction reaction, if it is oxidation, removal of hydrogen or addition of oxygen or increase in oxidation number. The opposite is going to happen in the case of reduction, either addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen or decrease in oxidation number. So these were the categories of organic reactions. Hope you liked it. Thanks a lot.